Okay, so this is the FED5B rangefinder. This is unit 072560. Let me show you the front, the top, the side, the downside, the back, show you the insides. So this is how it looks like inside. This is the lens. Show you the shutter. So one side is 500, 250, 125, 60, 15, 8, 4. Then there's an in between. I think it's 1. Then there's like a further one that can go to 1. Then I can't go down some more, so I need to fire it off. I'll do it at 500. And then if I don't want it, it goes to the other mode. So now I can go down to, let's say, like, let me put that 1, that wine. And then I can do, it shows 30, I'm not sure what exactly it means, because it doesn't sound like 30 seconds. Then it goes to bulb, but probably that's a 30, so it's longer. So it's not, it doesn't sound like 30 seconds though. So, yeah. Okay, let me show you bulb mode. This one need to wind first, then go to bulb. Bulb mode. So yeah, there you go. This is the FED-5V. It's called 5V in Russian. So yeah, thanks.